First one is that review cycles are super slow. And the further you get away from yourself, the slower they get. Something as simple as a connector review with a supplier can take weeks because of time differences, communication barriers, sharing files. These processes are very slow. The second is that the whole process is on you. It's manual, it's frustrating, and it's disconnected. And it's up to you to make sure it happens. No matter how good your PLM workflow is, you're always ending up outside of it to do the review itself or to communicate with your team. Third part is that the decisions you're making are oftentimes without the context you need. You'll see a screenshot and you'll be wondering, is that the right angle? I want another view. Is that the latest detail? You're always making decisions without all the context. And then when you look at this, we really talk about single source of truth. We say that kind of broadly in industry, and we only mean really CAD data. But there's another 50% of that. That's how we built that thing. That is the intelligence. That is your engineering mind, where that goes. And right now it's in a silo. It's lost in an email. You leave a company, that data's gone. And this isn't acceptable moving into the future. In the software world, you would never imagine sending somebody a screenshot of code over email to get feedback. It just would never be the case. And then you talk about giving updates. Know where progress is to. Understanding and wondering, why are we always late? Why are we going over budget? And it's because visibility and oversight is a lot of work. I'm sure there's some managers that have joined this call who literally sit in meetings the entire day and don't ever get a chance to actually use their brain to do the innovation that they want to do. And we need to find a way to cut down on this. The sixth is that in this review process itself, you actually probably spend more time doing the legwork and the administration than you do actually reviewing the design itself and trying to improve the product, build something high quality to deliver excellence to your customer. And if you take all 6 of these, that prohibits you from wanting to do design reviews more frequently. And when you do small iterations, you're much more likely to build something successful. And when you don't do this, you end up not sharing things early, you end up holding things off, people miss reviews, people are cut out of the process, and that's resulting in those errors that are driving up your costs and timelines and not getting you where you want to be. And if you take this and then look at Onshape's report that just came out a few months ago, at 800 completely different people and the whole state of product development in general, 11 of the top 15 problems that are outlined are not actually related to CAD or analysis. They're all related to communication, review, and how you work with your team. If you look at the top here, 95% of people agree that robust CAD tools are important, which I think we all do, but 70% think we're doing a good job. If you look about halfway down and looking at minimizing time spent on non-design related activities, 82% agree it's important, but only 40% think we do a good job right now. And that's the gap we need to close if we're going to be efficient moving into the future.